Robin and Chet here with Sea Lake Journeys.
Sea Lake Journeys.
Well, today is just a lazy kind of day.
Yep.
So we thought, why not have a sea day?
A sea day. That's a good idea.
So on our 14-day cruise on the Caribbean Princess, we had, how many sea days did we have? 4 or 5, something like that. So in this video, we're gonna combine those sea days together to just give you, I don't know, a sneak peek into what a sea day is like.
Friday.
Sea day.
A sea day. So there's no shore excursion today, right?
No.
There's our morning view.
Good morning, how are you?
Half full. How bad are you cheating in this game?
I'm not cheating at all.
But you're winning, so you have to be cheating.
Oh, I see, I guess. Okay.
Let's see. We're playing the Golden Compass. I got a Red Bull. She got ginger ale. How about that?
How about that?
And we're just sitting out here.
So another thing that we like to do on sea days is line dancing.
Yes. She likes to line dance, and I like to watch.
He just has a hard time with
Dancing in a line.
So, come on guys, we're gonna take you to line dancing.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And now you actually. So that's the first time. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Wobble, wobble, wobble to the right. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Now you hear the songs going like, get on down. Okay, so what's gonna happen? You're going to do the cha-cha. All right. Get on down is going to be 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. All right. Get on down. It's going to be starting from your right hand. It's going to be 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Now, once you're done with the last cha-cha-cha, you're going to turn quarter 10. And then you're going to do 8 counts. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Immediately. Wobble, 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 back. Wobble, 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 right. Wobble, 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 left. Wobble, wobble, wobble. You got it. Get on down. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. And 10, quarter 10, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to count.
Wasn't too bad. That was a wobble baby. We know that one.
You know what? I think I can watch one more.
Can you?
Yep.
Okay, let's do another one.
Right. So now that we've done a couple of line dances, watch this one. You're going to see me in it. Yeah, you're going to see
We are?
me line dancing. Watch carefully.
Let's go. Hello.
So, did you see Chet dancing that line dance one?
I made absolutely no mistakes. I was flawless. Did you see that? Flawless, baby.
Yes, side to side. Break it up.
Well, line dancing's usually pretty easy, and most of the time they teach you nice and slow.
Yeah, you know, and it's just fun. I used to do it too. And now I once in a while still go out there and try it. But yeah, you're not going to see that.
So, let's try another one.
Yeah.
Well, you know, everybody loves to line dance. And it's amazing. You see older people on the dance floor, younger people on the dance floor. Line dancing is something that everybody enjoys.
Oh yeah, good times.
I love country line dancing. And Chet doesn't like country music at all.
It depends on what country it is.
So there's a song, Achy Breaky Heart, that we did a music video to with our children when they were real little. So I love Achy Breaky Heart.
Hey, I even like that one.
Now to the head.
You can tell my arms from back to the side.
7, 8.
You can tell my toes hit the floor.
So in case all that line dancing has just not done enough for you, you feel like you need some more exercise, stick around. We got an exercise class right after the line dancing. Can you believe that?
Yeah, let's stay for it. Let's stay for aerobics.
I'm going to the salad bar. You know what? I'm tired from all that line dancing.
You are tired from all the line dancing and the aerobics both?
Yeah, you know what? We need to go, we need to go exercise our brains for a while. How about we go do some trivia?
All right, come on guys, we're going to go play some trivia.
Trivia. Trivia is very popular on this ship. Not even time to start yet. It's already getting pretty full. Well, we've been in some of the trivias where it's a packed house. Sometimes it's in Explorer's Lounge, and sometimes here.
So, I'm not very good at trivia. I just kind of sit there and look
good-
like I'm part of the team.
I'm a good guesser. I guessed good enough this time to get us a wine stopper.
Yep, we got wine stoppers.
But we've also, on this cruise, we've also won coasters!
Coasters.
Coasters. Everybody needs coasters.
So we don't play by ourselves. We we mingle and we find other people to play with, or we invite other people to come play with us, and we always tell them we're not very good.
Yeah, you're allowed to have up to 6 people in your team, so usually it's 3 couples. And we usually generate a winning team.
Yeah, we do pick a good winning team. We may not be good trivia players, but we do know how to spot good trivia players. Okay, chat. I think we've worked out enough today. I think we just need to go do some chilling. What do you think?
Yeah.
I say we go up to the pool deck. See what's going on up there.
Let's do it.
Okay. Let's go to the pool deck, guys. We sat out by the pool deck. It got so hot. I think we need to go inside for a cool cocktail.
Yeah, we can hang out at what's that bar?
Let's go hang out at Good Spirits.
Woo! Scooby-Doo, Good Spirits.
The Good Spirits is right there in the piazza, right beside of the International Cafe.
Yes. All right, we're cruising on the ocean today. It's a sea day. Our last sea day before we hit back to Fort Lauderdale. You like looking at the water? There you go. Now we are sitting in
Good Spirits.
Good Spirits. What kind of good spirits they got? Like ghosts and Scooby-Doo kind of things, or what?
Alcoholic kind.
I like that shirt you're wearing. What does that say?
Hello.
Sea Leg Journeys.
Join the cruise. Subscribe today.
All right, you heard it right here. You heard it live, almost live from the Caribbean Princess. And this is the Good Spirits bar right here. Everybody's on YouTube.
YouTube. Don't put us on you.
I know.
I like that little fuzzy thing on
That's
it.
how I pet the camera. Cheers!
She's cheersing with her fist. Jesus, sexy ass bitch. Do you need a drink?
Cheers!
Cheers! Cheers! Cheers! Last day, cheers, people!
Cheers!
Roger, cheers, baby!
He has missed this every time. So he gets it on film. Well, I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us on Sea Day.
Tomorrow, stay with us, and we'll do D, E, and F Day.
Well, we hope that you like our video. If you did, why don't you give us a thumbs up? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's good for the channel. It helps other people find us as well. And thank you for watching. We'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.